Hi, I'm going to generate LLMS TXT files, the full version and the minimum version. So I will just enter my website link here, which is alisalim252.com, and I'm just gonna click generate LLMS, and it has found 6 links for me, and it is processing all the links, and finally I got the a link here, and now I can save my llms.txt file. I got that, and now I can also generate my, hold on a second, my full txt file. It has again found 6 initial links, and it is parsing it right now, which is quite easy. Great. So now I have the full text and the llms.txt file. Now I will show you how to upload it on your server and how to link it on your home page. Okay, so let me show you the txt file. It has generated from my website, and it has added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 links with the titles. And if I go through the full text file, let's open that. You can see it has crawled all the content of each file and integrated into a txt file. So every detail of my website is available on the txt file, which makes really easy for AI chatbots and LLMs to actually crawl through your website and give accurate information. Alright, to upload, I am going to demonstrate it through cpanel. I'm just going to go to the file manager, and I will browse. I'm gonna blur this and go to public HTML and the folder where my site is installed, and over here I will simply upload my file, my LLMS file. I will select llms.txt, and I will just reload, and as you can see it is added over here. Then I'm going to upload the other one. I'm not showing you the upload process, but it is simple interface. And I go back, and if I hit reload, you can see both of these files are uploaded. And if I go to my site and do llms.txt, enter that, and I can see that it's uploaded. And if I adjust the full version, I can also see that it is also added, and it's then became very simple. All you need to do is go to your site page and go to your menu. It is a static site, so it is as simple as this. And we go to edit. We added this file, and if we have a footer menu, we just add the link to llms txt file. Yeah, so right after this I can add a bar and a link and call it llms read this, and here I can give them llms full.txt, and that is going to add a navigation link to the footer. So whenever AI bots just go through or browse through, navigate through my site, they would just read this and access to my txt file to get the complete context. And that is it, and that's how you can create your txt file.